Hello, Billy here with A-dec. In this video, I want to show you how to use the flush toggle on your A-dec 300 and 500 delivery systems. In this video, I'm using a 533 delivery system. However, the switch is located in the same spot on our 300 and 12 o'clock delivery systems. I begin by turning the unit off and replacing with a full water bottle. In between procedures, you just want to verify the water bottle on the unit has a sufficient amount of water in it to finish the procedure. Be sure to add ICX to the water bottle each time you refill. Turn the unit back on. Gather all handpiece tubings you want to flush and remove them from the holder. Hold the handpieces over a cuspidor, sink, or basin. Reach behind your unit and hold the flush switch until water has run through the system for about 20 to 30 seconds. Simply place the tubings back in the holder and you are ready for your next procedure.